In this video, I'll show you how to check previous friends on Roblox. Now, if you want to check your recently added friends, ensure you watch this video through, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, for you to see this, you can head over to your Roblox, right? And from here, you can see I got just 2 friends. I got Lily and Ezra, right? So for you to be able to check up your previous friends, this is where you're going to head over to. It's going to be displayed on the home option, and I'm going to see your friends right there. So I'm going to click on the CEO. If I click on this view, I'm gonna see I'm gonna see my friends. So for now, I think I got just 2 friends, right? You can also see your following, your followers, and your friend requests. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. This video basically is for educational purpose only. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one. Thank you.